Welcome back to Future Phone Flash. Today, we're diving into the latest buzz surrounding the Galaxy Z46 leaks. There's plenty to uncover, so let's get started. Insider info from the King of Leaks. The King of Leaks has shared some intriguing tidbits about the Galaxy Z46. But here's the twist. The AI revolution is set to transform this device, bringing major improvements in design and camera capabilities. Breaking down the leaks. Big companies love to tease their upcoming products, but leaks always add an element of surprise. Even Blast, known for his leak expertise, gave us a sneak peek into what's in store at the Unpack event. Get ready for three new watches: the Z Fold 6, the Z Flip 6, and a fresh Galaxy Ring. While details about the Z Fold 6 are still scarce, one thing's for sure: it will feature a square display. Examining the leaked images. Taking a closer look at the leaked images, it seems that the Z46's cover display isn't drastically different from its predecessor, the Z45. As for the Z Flip 6, there are hints of a slightly larger display, although nothing is confirmed yet. Revolutionary AI features. Let's now turn our attention to the revolutionary AI features expected on the Galaxy Z46. Samsung's head of mobile research and development has hinted at groundbreaking advancements, promising an immersive experience like never before. Outro, that wraps up our sneak peek into the Galaxy Z46 leaks and what's on the horizon. Make sure to subscribe for the latest updates and insights on upcoming phone innovations.